Morning everyone. Today is the subject business study. We will learn the chapter 3 private, public and global enterprises. In the previous class we will learn the departmental undertaking. Okay, meaning of departmental undertaking and merits of and characteristics of departmental undertaking. Today's we are learn merits and demerits of departmental undertaking. Okay, so let me start the topic. First, merits of the departmental undertaking. First, government control. Actually, since of departmental undertaking, the direct controlled the government, it is more effective is achieving the economics, social and political objectives and laid down by the government. The next is secrecy. ये जो departmental undertaking, the work and politics department undertaking are under complete secrecy. इसमें जो है security बनी रहती है. These undertaking are suitable for industries with the strategic importance where at most secrecy is desired. Then next is use of resources. These undertaking are under strict control and restriction of government. Thus, with sufficient capital and investment, they make sense use the available resources. Natural resources, land resources, labor resources, etc. are used of resources. Then next, optimum and efficient service. The working of such undertaking continue without by restrictions, obstacle of any discrimination. Even if this undertaking are running or losses, रनिंग आर लॉसेस, या तो ये जो डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग अगर प्रॉफिट भी हो, प्रॉफिट आर लॉसेस, रनिंग आर लॉसेस, द गवर्नमेंट कंटिन्यू द वर्क कीपिंग अ व्यू इन इंटरेस्ट. मतलब अगर ये अंडरटेकिंग जो डिपार्टमेंटल है अगर लॉस पे भी चल रहे हैं तो ऐसे अंडरटेकिंग डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग को गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा कंटिन्यू रन किया जाता है. Then next is no explanation. Since it is a joint venture, the employees of the joint sector undertaking avail all benefits received by an employees of government undertakings. They are benefits with all facilities and the handsome salaries during their tender of working. तो ये था आपका merits of the departmental undertaking. Then next topic is demerits of departmental undertaking. The main motive of establishment department undertaking was gaining high profits along with social welfare. But so far it seems that these undertakings have failed of achieve their tracks. There are many demerits of departmental undertaking. First is a raid tapsimum. Raid tapsim. It is an event that the maximum problems of raid tapsims of observe in government undertakings. Lal Pita Sahi Ka Bandhan. Raid tapsimum. Decision make a process of lengthy and so delayed work remain pending, employees become lengthening and so less no. जो लाल फीता शाही का बंधन है वो ये डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग में बना रहता है और इससे डिसीजंस डिले होते हैं, नियम कानून की जो जटिलता है वो इसमें होती है. देन नेक्स्ट इज पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी. इन इंडियन द पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन स्टेबिलिटी इन highly instable election are held frequently, and if the change of government takes place then the न्यूली formed government state sites all the initiatives taken by the outgoing government and forms new political order। जो गवर्नमेंट है वो चेंज होते रहते हैं, जिसके अनुसार उनके जो रूल्स है वो चेंज होते रहते हैं, और इसका सीधा सीधा इफेक्ट जो है वो डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग पर पड़ता है। देन नेक्स्ट इज अ लेक ऑफ कंपटीशन। देयर एग्जिस्ट ऑफ लेक कंपटीशन अमंग द अंडरटेकिंग, एब्सेंस ऑफ हेल्दी कंपटीशन result in lack motivation among employees, thus in turn encourage lengthy with ultimately restrict and undertaking in achieving their predominant object। Then next is political interference undertaking, departmental undertaking, this is the most common problem faced by the government undertaking। Politics want to see their favorites of the highest positions, so as the favor them their candidates involve the testings with the government undertakings। Moreover, with the change in the government, new policy are formed in the new venture। गवर्नमेंट चेंज होते रहते हैं, जिससे कि पॉलिटिकल जो इंटरफियरेंस है वो डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग पर बना रहता है। ओके, थैंक यू।